In this Excel video, I will teach you power shortcuts for extending a selection. This is going to be fun. Let's get started. And here I am in a spreadsheet that has information about fictional employees. And I want to be able to work with this data, including maybe selecting parts of the data, copying it, and then pasting it elsewhere in this workbook, or maybe cutting and pasting. So to do this effectively, of course, I could use the mouse to click and drag to select a range of data, and then I could use keyboard shortcuts to copy that or cut it. But when using Excel, the most efficient way to use Excel is to keep your hands on the keyboard as much as possible. So let's look at our first power shortcut for extending a selection. I'm just using the arrow keys to arrow over to Freddie Brown's record here in row number 5. And I have cell B5 selected right now, but I really would like to extend that to also select Amelia Williams' record. Power shortcut number 1 is extend the selection by one cell up. The way we do this is we hold the Shift key and then tap the up arrow on the keyboard. And whatever you currently have selected, that selection is extended one cell up. Power shortcut number 2 is extend selection by one cell to the right. You can probably guess what the keyboard shortcut is for this. It's Shift right arrow. Power shortcut number 3 is extend selection by one cell down. Again, you could probably figure this out. It's Shift down arrow. Now notice what that did. It's all still based on my original selection of Freddie Brown. And so when I held Shift and tapped the down arrow, it deselected Amelia Williams. And now we just have Freddie Brown. If I do it again, Shift down arrow, now I've got Freddie and Jeff. And I could continue to move down with Shift down arrow, selecting more and more data downward. Power shortcut number 4 is extend selection by one cell to the left. And yes, you guessed it, Shift left arrow. But again, it's all based on my original cell, B5, where it says Freddie. And so when I hold Shift and tap the left arrow, it deselects everything in column C. I press it again, and now I've got my selections in column A and column B. Okay, I'm going to press just the up arrow and maybe the down arrow again to get back to cell B5. And let's talk about power shortcut number 5. Extend the selection to the last cell up. So for this, I don't want to just select Freddie and Amelia, and I'd rather not have to hold Shift and tap the up arrow like 5 times. I just want one keyboard shortcut to select everything upward from B5. The shortcut for this is Control Shift up arrow, and you can see the result. Everything above Freddie is now selected. Power shortcut number 6, extend the selection to the last cell right. Again, you can probably figure this out. It's Control Shift right arrow, and notice that it selects all of the data to the right. It doesn't keep going for hundreds and hundreds of rows to the right. No, it goes to the end of the data and stops the selection. Power shortcut number 7, extend the selection to the last cell down. Control Shift down arrow. So you can see how these shortcut keys can really save us time. They're a great way to very quickly select a specific range of data with just 1 or 2 keyboard shortcuts that we use. Power shortcut number 8 is extend the selection to the last cell to the left. Control Shift left arrow. Just like I was showing before, that deselects everything to the right of the first cell that I started with, but then it does select everything to the left. Okay, I'm going to use the right arrow key to move over. Maybe I want to just go down here to cell F30. And now I'll show you power shortcut number 9, extend selection to the first cell in the worksheet. And the keyboard combination for this is Control Shift and then tap Home on the keyboard. Control Shift Home. And now from whatever cell you started, that cell and everything up and to the left is selected. Now, if you're trying to do this keyboard shortcut on a laptop keyboard or other small keyboard, it may be a little tricky to use that home key. You may need to also hold another key, because on laptop keyboards and on other smaller keyboards, sometimes the home key is combined with another key, like the left arrow key or some other key. But on a full keyboard, it's just Control, Shift, Home. Let's move on to power shortcut number 10. Extend selection to the last cell in worksheet. So going back to cell F30, let's now extend the selection to the last cell in the worksheet. The shortcut for this is Control, Shift, End. Moving on to power shortcut number 11, we have extend selection right one screen. And to show this effectively, I'm going to zoom out to 100% view, and I'm just going to go here to cell A2 and watch what happens when I extend the selection right one screen. To do this, I hold Shift, hold Alt, and tap Page Down. And you can see what happened. It expanded the selection that I had of A2, and it extended it all the way across my screen. It stopped at column U. Now, you might say column U is a little bit off screen. Yeah, just a little bit. Now, what if I did that again? Shift, Alt, Page Down. It extends the selection for another screen. Shift, Alt, Page Down again. It extends it another screen. So essentially now I have 3 screens worth of selection space. Keyboard shortcut number 12 is extend selection left one screen. So let's say I'm here on cell R3, hold Shift, hold Alt, tap Page Up, and the selection is extended left by approximately one screen. Okay, power shortcut number 13 is extend selection to the start of the row. Let's say I need to cut and paste or copy and paste this entire row of data for tray. With at least one cell in that row selected, I can extend the selection to the start of the row by holding the Shift key and tapping the Home key on the keyboard. And that takes the selection from the currently selected cell all the way to the beginning of the row that it's in. Power shortcut number 14 is extend selection down one screen. And the key combination for this is Shift, Page Down. I now have basically one screen's worth of data selected. If I do Shift, Page Down again, it extends for another screen. So those are power shortcuts to extend selections in Microsoft Excel. I hope you're seeing how useful these can be as you're working in Excel to help you keep your hands on the keyboard as much as possible. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it to be helpful. If you did, please like, follow, and subscribe. And when you do, click the bell and you'll be notified when I post another video. If you'd like to support the channel, the best way to do that is to become a channel member, but you could also click the thanks button below the video. You could support me through my Patreon account, or you could buy channel merch, and you'll see information about those options in the description below the video. Speaking of supporting the channel, thank you so much to my Super Techie channel supporters. You're amazing. I really appreciate you. And just a quick word about sharing these videos. If you ever learn something in one of my videos and you appreciate my work, please consider sharing that video with other people you know that might benefit from increasing their Excel knowledge. And of course, I also have Microsoft Word videos, PowerPoint, AI videos, Adobe, Google, all sorts of great educational videos to help you and your friends and family become more proficient at using computers. So please do share these with others that you know.